Hi friends, hello friends, a very good evening to each and every one of you. Welcome again to another nice and exciting BITSAT mock test. Today is BITSAT mock test 17. Mathematics के questions है, काफी interesting questions है, right? Moderate to difficult level I would say. So welcome each and every one of you. Yes guys, so yes, कौन मचाने के लिए तैयार है? Come on guys. Yes, with high intensity, high passion to bring out the best of speed and accuracy, which is exactly what this particular examination BITSAT asks for. Yes, guys, come on, welcome everyone. Sushant, Shruti, Nandini, Nisha Varshnen. Yes, welcome, guys. Anjali, Royal Maddy is there, Raj Burad is there, Rishabh Yadav is there, Aditya Bansal, Jugraj Singh. Welcome, everyone, guys. Let's see who fares well today, right? The rules of the game are same: +3 for the right answer, -1 for a incorrect answer, and 0 marks for not attempting before we discuss the answer. Yes, guys, everyone clear? And of course, everyone will, whoever gives the answer first gets a star. Right, guys, my name is Ganesh Pawar. In case you do not know me, I am a BTech MTech from IIT Bombay with 10 plus years of teaching experience, 100 on 100 in MHCET maths, with more importantly, I have scored 434 on 450 in my BITSAT examination, right? So I can fairly say, आप आराम से ये कह सकते हो कि यार I have good enough experience of dealing with these kind of examinations where you need to solve a problem as fast as possible. So I am pretty sure most of you already know the structure of the BITSAT examination, right? It's basically a 3 hour examination, 150 questions, so 180 minutes, 150 questions, right? More or less when you average out, analyze each and everything, उसके ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो बना रखा है, made a video on target BITSAT, right? So you can search that video and understand in detail about the examination. You can say for the maths category, you should ideally be able to solve on an average every question in the range of 115 to 130, basically 1 minute 15 seconds to 1 minute 30 seconds. So we'll try it out. Of course, the idea is to give the correct answer in limited time as possible. Yes, guys, so is everyone ready? Come on, guys, fatafat. Yes, Tejasuni, I'm doing good. Ananya, Hariom, Rajput, Pushpanjali Kumari, Jayesh. Wonderful. Welcome, guys. वेलकम एवरीवन, कैसे हैं सब लोग? जो भी आए हैं फटाफट लाइक बटन पे हिट कर दीजिए, अटेंडेंस लगा दीजिए और शुरुआत करते हैं. कम ऑन गाइस. राजेंद्र वेलकम, आलोक गुप्ता, awesome, awesome, बहुत बढ़िया, right? And all those enthusiastic students, in fact the BITSAT examination also I have curated keeping in mind जो अभी बच्चे 12th में हैं, मतलब जो अभी just 12th शुरू कर रहे हैं and are going to give their examinations in 2021. So I've tried to include quite a bit of questions from your 11th standard concepts which are asked in the BITSAT examination, and also those chapters which are generally completed till this stage in your 12th standard also. So basically I'm saying, talking about matrices, determinants, yeah, for that matter, inverse trigonometric functions, relations and functions, for that matter, continuity, differentiability, application of derivatives, in topics के ऊपर भी questions लिए हुए हैं, right guys? So I was talking about this plus platform पे फटाफट आ जाइएगा अगर आप 12th standard में हो. काफी detailed study होती है boards examination की. Basically I would say your fantastic fundamentals are taken care of. They are given a proper shape. अच्छे से concepts की तैयारी होती है जिससे कि आप board exams के लिए भी preparation अच्छा कर सकते हो, right? और आप अपने entrances, कोई भी entrances हो, BITSAT examination for that matter, even JEE mains, right? KCET, MHTCET, even NDA for that matter, your all these examinations you can tackle very nicely if your fundamentals, if your concepts are clear. And that is why fatafat take the Unacademy Plus subscription, because that will basically elevate your preparation to a level where you can apply better, you can bring out your best, and all of this at a very reasonable cost of 11,250. We'll talk about this in detail towards the end. 11,250 for the full year, right? For the full year, for all the subjects, for all the educators. So not a single rupee more for anything apart from 11,250. Test series भी इसमें included है, doubt solving sessions भी included है. Yes guys, so फटाफट let's hop on today's train. BITSAT mock test 17. Is everyone ready? Come on guys, फटाफट. Let me see a big round of a thumbs up in that chat box. Come on guys, quickly. Yes, are we ready? +3 for correct, -1 for wrong, 0 for not attempting, and a star to whoever gives the correct answer first. Awesome, बहुत बढ़िया गाइस. जो भी लाइक नहीं किए हैं वीडियो को फटाफट लाइक कर दो और स्प्रेड कर दो ताकि शुरुआत से हर एक जना इसमें जुड़ जाए. कम ऑन गाइस, बहुत बढ़िया. ध्रुव, आप कैसे हो? Fantastic. Let's crack it. Let's crack it, Preksha. Param, the machine boy. Here's the first question on your screens. Attack, guys. Awesome. Permutation, combination, 11th standard topic. Yes, let's see how many of you can crack it. It's a decent question, I think. Very much a BITSAT level question. बेसिकली एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो 1 से 1.5 मिनट में सॉल्व हो सकता है अगर आप you are switched on from second one, right? Once you see the problem, you're switched on and you're thinking in your mind, talking with your brain about this problem, you will get it straight away. Come on guys, फटाफट. ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो, right? I certainly believe in permutation combination problems and probability problems. The most important thing is nothing but converting the language into mathematics. Once you do that, you can crack it, guys. बिल्कुल पढ़ाएंगे बंसल जी. कॉन्सेप्ट्स, पहले कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे ध्यान देंगे, बोर्ड्स पे, राइट? Dhiranjay, for more details about the BITSAT examination, you can explore my video Target BITSAT 2020, right? Awesome, awesome. Let's see who's got the star. Let's see who's got the star in this question. Awesome. All right, I think the star in this question goes to Rishabh Yadav. Fantastic work, Rishabh Yadav. I have not most likely. I hope I haven't forgotten you. But आपका नाम पहली बार देखा हुआ. I have seen your name for the first time, and that's a brilliant start, Baba. Brilliant start. बहुत बढ़िया. C is the correct answer indeed to this question, and Rishabh Yadav gets the star in this. Let's quickly have a look किस तरीके से काम किया जाना चाहिए इस पे. There are 9 digits that are given to you. ठीक है, 9 digits आपको दिए हुए हैं. 2 2s हैं, 2 3s हैं, 2 5s हैं और 3 8 है, right? These are the digits that are available to you. So there are 9 digits available and you got to create a 9 digit number. तो 9 digits आपके पास available है, right? और आपके पास एक 9 digit number ही बनाना है, ठीक है? Now it has been told to you, the conditioning in the problem is such that it says that odd digits should occupy the even places. Now you need to understand that the second, fourth, sixth, and eighth, ये जो चार positions है, these four positions are basically your even positions, right? And we are supposed to put odd numbers. How many odd numbers are there? If you think about it, there is three, there is three, there is five, and there is five. So there are four odd numbers to be put in four even positions, right? And hence you will think that to this for this to be done, you can do this in 4 ways. But think about it, in this 4 these two are repeating and hence you need to divide by 2 and these two are also repeating and hence you need to divide by 2. So this is the story of how the odd digits are to be positioned. Now talk about the even digits. They are nothing but 2 2 8 8 and 8. So you have 5 even digits and you have 5 remaining odd positions which they will naturally fit into. वो naturally उन जगहों में जाएंगे, इन 5 जगहों में ये 5 digits. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? Now by that logic, these 5 digits in these 5 positions can be arranged in 5 ways. But again, because these two are two repeating digits, so divide by 2, and these 3 8s are repeating and hence divide by 3. Now trust me friends, ये process आपके दिमाग में फटाफट हो सकता है inside 1.5 minutes very easily हो सकता है. If you are clear with the concept, if you are clear with the content, and you are able to talk with the problem, extract data from the problem, create this picture and put it on paper, you can do this guys, right? And that is the whole reason you have to be practicing all of these things, right? Now because odd वाले positions भी होते हैं, even वाले positions भी होते हैं, you multiply them, right, and get your answer. As simple as that, right? So what will happen? 4 factorial is 24, 2 factorial is 2, so 24 divided by 2 divided by 2. Let's just write it down, right? Of course you can do this calculation even faster if you want to. 5 factorial upon 3 factorial, so I will write 5 factorial as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, right, upon 2 factorial is 2 and 3 factorial is 3 factorial. These two get cancelled. What you have here is 24 divided by 2 12, 12 divided by 2 6, and 6 plus 10, right, rather 6 into 10 gives you 60, right? And hence 60 is your answer guys. Everyone clear? Option C is your answer. I think it's a fantastic problem to start with. Absolutely gives you the idea of how the BITSAT questions are. Come on guys, is everyone absolutely clear about this? Anyone having a doubt? Please ask me the doubt. I'm having a look at the chat box now. Come on guys, welcome all the new people. Mujammil, welcome to the gang. Awesome. Yes guys, फटाफट अगर कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछिएगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट नहीं, अगर अच्छे से समझ में आ गया है प्रोसेस, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसेस, प्लीज पुट अ थम्स अप सो दैट वी कैन मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्विकली गाइस. कम ऑन. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Fadafat. Balshankar, the code is GP Live. I'll tell you the information also towards the end of the video again. GP Live is the code. Someone also did mention it for that matter, I guess. Yes, guys, come on, Fadafat. Very good, Rishabh. Awesome. यस सौम्या अमरीश यस सागर राणा भी आ चुका है यार काफी 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 लोग आ गए हैं बहुत बढ़िया रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑसम फैंटास्टिक हियर्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स कम ऑन गाइस वाओ नाउ वी हैव कोनिक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री ellipse we need to find the eccentricity given the condition in the problem again I would say an absolutely perfect bitsat level question come on guys quickly ऑसम 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 बहुत बढ़िया बहुत ही जल्दी दक्ष चिंता मत करो बहुत ही जल्दी जैसे मैंने कहा था इसी वीक में कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा फटाफट काफी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें आने वाली हैं बने रहो अन अकेडमी 11-12 चैनल पे विल डेफिनेटली ब्रिंग आउट द बेस्ट कंटेंट पॉसिबल या डोंट वरी कम ऑन गाइस फटाफट बिटसैट एग्जामिनेशंस एकता बिट्स जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज होता है बिरला इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड साइंस इंडिया में 3 कैंपसेस है एक तो पिलानी विच इज इंडियाज 5th बेस्ट कॉलेज विच इज लाइक एक्चुअली वेरी मच ऑसम बिकॉज लाइक बिट्स के ऊपर बिट्स पिलानी के ऊपर रादर 4 दूसरे आईआईटीज हैं एंड उसके नीचे कुछ और आईआईटीज है राइट सो बेसिकली बिट्स पिलानी द फर्स्ट कैंपस इट्स लाइक वेरी फेमस देन देयर इज बिट्स गोवा आल्सो अ वेरी गुड कैंपस एंड अगेन देन देयर इज बिट्स हैदराबाद आल्सो या सो 3 कैंपसेस इन इंडिया दुबई में भी एक कैंपस है बट मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली एक वीडियो है टारगेट बिटसैट 2020 उसको आप एक्सप्लोर करिएगा यू विल फाइंड दैट ऑन आवर चैनल राइट तब आपको बहुत ज्यादा आइडिया मिल जाएगा अबाउट you know how to prepare for bitsat what bitsat is how the fees are they're on the higher side but explore करने में क्या जाता है it's a short video you will understand a lot about the examination all right guys come on फटाफट let's see what happens here yes, let's see who has got the star in this question. I so forgot that. No problem. Yes. Oh my god, I think new name. Very good. Again, I have not heard your name before. Mundru Punna Rao. You have cracked it, Baba. Very awesome. Yes, C is the correct answer to this question. Fantastic work. Very good, very good. Punna, can I call you no, 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 no. Baba, you have marked other answers as well. I don't think I should do that then. Because you have marked C, you have marked A, you have marked D. That's not cool, Baba. So yes, Sparsh Batra, awesome. Yes, Sparsh, I think you deserve the star in this question. Yes, option C is the correct answer indeed. Yes, Sparsh gets the star in this question. Fantastic work, guys. एक बार देखते हैं किस तरीके से डील करना है द लेंथ ऑफ द सेमी लेटस रेक्टम ऑफ एन एलिप्स इज 1/3 ऑफ इट्स मेजर एक्सिस क्विकली आई थिंक यू कैन इवन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इनसाइड 1 मिनट अगर आपको चीजें पता है तो आप बहुत अच्छे से आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो लेंथ ऑफ द सेमी लेटस रेक्टम व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द सेमी लेटस रेक्टम इफ यू नो दैट you can quickly write this as b square upon a you know that the length of the semi-latus rectum is b square upon a right now quickly after this what is the other side is 1/3 of the major axis right this is 1/3 of the major axis now what is the major axis is 2a so now here we have an equation straight now get on to the solving right so now we have b square therefore b square is equal to 2 upon 3 a square careful a goes there that's all has been done now we know that b square can also be written as a square into 1 minus e square right and on the other side you have 2 upon 3 a square absolutely crackable absolutely perfect bitsat level problem a square cancel all that you have got is 1 minus e square is 2 by 3 so basically e square is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 which is 1 upon 3 and hence e is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 3 so we'll just write plus because eccentricity can be negative option C is hence the correct answer yes guys are we clear I think a fantastic problem आपको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए और especially अभी डिटेल में समझाने के बाद I hope that everyone is absolutely clear about it definitely a problem which is gettable सीखो इससे और ये सीखो कि यार कितने इजीली कितने सिंपली हमने डेटा को कलेक्ट किया इक्वेट किया है एंड देन सॉल्व्ड इट टू कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर इन्वॉल्व रादर 3 कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर इन्वॉल्व सेमी लेटस रेक्टम का लेंथ पता होना चाहिए मेजर एक्सिस का लेंथ पता होना चाहिए और b square इक्वल टू a square into 1 minus e square the eccentricity connecting equation of an ellipse पता होना चाहिए ये 3 अगर चीजें पता है तो you can solve this problem easily guys and this is what is the takeaway from this problem yes guys are we ready for the next come on yes are we clear with this a thumbs up a big thumbs up for this if yes then we can move on forward come on guys quickly very good बहुत बढ़िया very good Preksha awesome awesome Rishabh need to explore on that particular examination. उतना idea नहीं है. We'll explore on that and get something out of it. Definitely, I'll explore research over it. But अभी के लिए BITSAT के questions करते हैं. I'm pretty sure maths जहाँ पे भी जिसी भी exam में होता है इस level के question काफी ideal है. These are basically T20 kind of questions, right? Lesser time, concept also involved and application also involved. High level of application involved and a speed involved. Yes, guys, awesome. फटाफट. Right, here's the next question on your screens. Come on guys, let's see who can solve this first. Fadafat. Straight lines दिया हुआ है. A times 2x plus 2y minus 3, 2x plus y minus 3 plus b times 3x plus 2y minus 5. Quickly, come on, let me see. Even I need to solve this one quickly. Hanji Samir, yes, actually yes. That's pretty fast, Rajendra. Fantastic, awesome. Let's see who else can solve this quickly. ऑल राइट, चलो ठीक है, एक बार फटाफट सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. आई थिंक दिस इज अ फैमिली ऑफ लाइंस इक्वेशन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. यस, L1 प्लस लैम्डा L2 इक्वल टू 0 उस टाइप का इक्वेशन है. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन. लेट्स क्विकली सी हाउ टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन. राइट, सो अगर हम इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे तो किस टाइप का इक्वेशन आएगा? 2a प्लस 3b टाइम्स एक्स, 2a प्लस 3b टाइम्स एक्स. देखो यहाँ पे इसको एक्सपांड किया है और x के टर्म्स कॉमन लिए हुए हैं, ठीक है. प्लस what times y? A plus 2b times y. Is that correct? And finally we have the constant minus of 3a plus 5b. ध्यान से देखो बच्चों, क्या एक्सपांड करने के बाद if we try to write this equation in the form of a line, क्या ये बात समझ में आ रही है? ये ध्यान से देखो. Right, so these are family of lines. यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट है, ऐसा मानो 4 minus 3. ठीक है, now this point has to be the farthest. Right, this point has to be the farthest. Oh, now I figured out. सो अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो क्या होने वाला है कि ऐसे बहुत सारे लाइंस होने वाले हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे लाइंस होने वाले हैं, but there is which pass through a particular point. These are all family of lines, all right, but there is going to be one particular line which is going to be perpendicular to the line connecting these two, right? And that blue line is what we want to figure out. This is going to be perpendicular. Okay, that is the idea. Now this expansion is not needed because we can see that इन दोनों लाइन से हम ये particular point ढूंढ सकते हैं, तो उससे slope मिलेगा. Now that is how it goes. Let me talk you guys through about it. All right, एक काम करते हैं, ठीक है. Now first of all, everyone needs to understand that this particular family of lines, why? Because I can write this in the form of 2x plus y minus 3, right? This is L1 plus b upon a times 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Does everyone know family of lines, guys? Does everyone know family of lines? L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So basically दिस इज समथिंग ऑफ दिस काइंड कि यार बहुत सारे लाइंस है जो एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से पास हो रहे हैं. वो ब्लू पॉइंट है जिसके बारे में हमें आइडिया नहीं है, बट ऐसे बहुत सारे लाइंस है तो उनको फैमिली ऑफ लाइंस कहा जाता है. यस गाइस, एवरीवन नोज अबाउट फैमिली ऑफ लाइंस, राइट? Does everyone know about family of lines? Awesome, awesome. ठीक है, तो अभी L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. तो कोई भी दो लाइंस ले लो and you structure it in this particular format, you will get the equation of the family of lines. Now the idea is, if L1 and L2, if L1 and L2 are two lines, if L1 and L2 are two lines which are basically a part of these family of lines, तो उन दोनों का intersection तो ये blue point आएगा. तो हम इन दोनों का तो इंटरसेक्शन निकाल ही सकते हैं, राइट? वी कैन वेरी इजीली फाइंड आउट द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीस टू. लेट्स क्विकली डू दैट. 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So 3x plus 2y equal to 5. And the other equation is 2x plus y equal to 3. So multiply that by 2. So 4x plus 2y equal to 6. Now subtract them. When we subtract them, what happens is you get minus x as minus 1. Therefore, you get x as 1. राइट। एक बार आपको x का वैल्यू 1 आ गया, आप इस इक्वेशन में प्लग इन कर दीजिए x का वैल्यू 1, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2y is 5, solve that, you get y as 1. Now what happens is this intersection point is 1 comma 1, right? Now given the system of straight lines, the line of the system situated farthest from the point, so we are talking about the blue line now. तो हमें एक ऐसा लाइन चाहिए जो ये जब दोनों पॉइंट्स हम कनेक्ट करेंगे वो परपेंडिकुलर आए. नाउ वी नो बोथ द पॉइंट्स, राइट? ये दोनों पॉइंट्स के बारे में हमें आइडिया आ गया अभी, राइट? सो कैन वी फाइंड आउट द स्लोप ऑफ द ग्रीन लाइन? कैन वी नाउ फाइंड आउट स्लोप ऑफ द ग्रीन लाइन, right? So slope of the green line is nothing but the slope of the perpendicular. In this case is 1 minus of minus 3 upon 1 minus 4. Now when you solve it, you will clearly understand it's 4 upon minus 3. So minus 4 by 3 is the slope of the green line, which in turn tells you that the slope of the blue line is the negative reciprocal of it. So 3 upon 4, and hence the correct answer is option D, because there is only one line amongst all the four options which has the slope of 3 upon 4, right? So yes, it's a tricky question, I would say, definitely that kind of a question. उसमें थोड़ा सा ज्यादा सोचना पड़ा, बहुत सारी चीजें देखनी पड़ी, but I think it's a fantastic question. I'm really not sure किसने सबसे पहले इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया. काफी सारे चीजें लिखी गई हैं. लेट मी सी, डी किसने लिखा है पहले? आई थिंक इट वाज हरिओम, या हरिओम, मोहना, कुणाल ऑल्सो, फंटास्टिक वर्क गाइस. काफी सब लोगों ने डी लिखा. इज एवरीवन क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है क्या ये थॉट प्रोसेस गाइस? कम ऑन फटाफट. Yes, guys. It's a lengthy one, but I think again it's a difficult level BITSAT question क्योंकि इसमें multiple concepts involved है. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0, the family equation of family of lines वाला concept involved है. Then इन दोनों को L1 और L2 को solve करके intersection point लाना, फिर ये बाहर वाले point के साथ connect करके वो green line का slope लाना, और ब्लू लाइन का स्लोप उससे परपेंडिकुलर होगा, नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा. ये ब्लू लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होगा, क्यों? बिकॉज वी वांट दिस टू बी द फारदेस्ट. अगर आप ध्यान से सोचोगे, कोई भी दूसरा लाइन अगर आप लोगे, कोई भी दूसरा लाइन, मान लो आप ये लाइन अगर ले रहे हो, if you take this line belonging to this family of line, it is not the farthest. See how close it is. This is always going to be lesser as compared to this green distance. This green distance is the longest only because the blue line is perpendicular to that 4 comma minus 3. Yes guys, is everyone understanding this? Yes, I hope the thought process is clear. थोड़ा सा difficult problem है ये, right? अगर कोई भी doubt है तो please पूछिएगा. Come on guys, right? Pretty conceptual and at the same time too much application as well. Come on फटाफट, अगर समझ में आया तो thumbs up, अगर कोई doubt है तो please ask before we move to the next problem. I think this will be really beneficial when it comes to coordinate geometry section. काफी important concept भी है, right guys? Quickly, come on. या क्योंकि वो -5 है ना बाबा, ये -5 दूसरे साइड पे जाके +5 हो जाता है प्रेक्षा, राइट? समझ में आया? वेरी गुड ऋषभ, फैंटास्टिक. यस, एवरीवन क्लियर? चलो आगे बढ़े अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. आई होप देयर इज नो अदर डाउट. बिल्कुल ऋषभ, पक्का, अब मैं ध्यान रखूंगा, है कि नहीं? चलो फटाफट. हियर्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स. हियर वी गो क्विकली. यस, नाउ वी एंटर द कैलकुलस सेक्शन. फंक्शंस के बारे में बात हो रही है, फटाफट. Nice. Yes, guys, let's see. Have equal to signs as well. All right. Let's see who gets the star in this question. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Fadafad. Very interested, exciting question. Again, a very perfectly panned out BITSAT level question कहूंगा मैं. बहुत ही सही BITSAT level question. ये मे बी केसीईटी का बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा, एमएसटी का थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा, बट बिटसैट के लिए परफेक्ट लेवल है. बहुत सही. Yes, quite a few of you have given the answer, but the star in this question goes to Kunal. Fantastic work, Kunal. बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया आपने, right? You just get the flow. चारों ऑप्शंस को एक्चुअली प्ले करना चाहिए था, राइट? ऑप्शंस को एक्चुअली प्ले करना चाहिए था, अलग नंबर्स देने चाहिए थे, बिकॉज ऑल द नंबर्स आर सेम, जस्ट दैट द ब्रैकेट्स आर डिफरेंट. So we need to understand that, everywhere there will be square brackets, all the values, end values will be involved. Let's just see how. एक बार देखते हैं. First of all, we need to understand that we know that sine inverse of x, yeah, sine inverse of x lies between 1 and minus 1. Do we know this, guys? The domain of sine inverse of x is between minus 1 and 1. So this entire thing also lies between minus 1 and 1. Do we understand that? Yes. Do we agree upon this particular idea, guys, that log of ये कहना सही नहीं होगा, साइन इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स के फंक्शन में एक्स का डोमेन माइनस वन से वन के बीच में जाता है. तो या तो यू शुड पुट इट दिस वे, दैट वी नो दैट द domain of sine inverse of x is between minus वन एंड वन एंड बोथ इंक्लूडेड, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली. ठीक है. तो log of x square upon 2, ये जो चीज है, log of x square upon 2 to the base 2, very important, this guy has to be between 1 and minus 1. ये बात कितनों को समझ में आ रही है? ये जो इनपुट है, ये जो कर्ली ब्रैकेट है यहाँ पे, इसके अंदर जो भी एंटिटी है वो माइनस वन से वन के बीच में ही हो सकती है, तभी साइन इनवर्स डिफाइंड है. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? वेरी गुड, नो प्रॉब्लम गेमर्स, ऐसे ही सीखेंगे हम लोग फटाफट. राइट. So it is between minus 1 and 1. Are we absolutely clear about this, guys? Yes. Awesome, awesome, awesome. बहुत सही, बहुत सही. ठीक है. अब log के बारे में समझते हैं. What is 1 in terms of log base 2? Log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Am I clear about it? Yes. Can I say that this is nothing but log 2 to the base 2? Log 2 to the base 2 is 1, right? And can I say that this is nothing but log half to the base 2? Think about it. 2 raised to what is half? 2 raised to minus 1 is half, and hence log half to the base 2 is nothing but minus 1. And if we are understanding this, guys, if we are understanding this, then the problem is almost done, right? Then the problem is almost done. We need to understand that अगर मैं 1 और minus 1 की जगह log 2 to the base 2 और log half to the base 2 डाल दूं, तो मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा that since the base is 2, it's an increasing function, and hence I can say x square upon 2 is between 2 and 1. Think about it. Rather 2 and half, because here we have half and here we have 2, right? And we are comparing x square upon 2 to those values. Yes, guys, are we clear? And once we are here, it's all about the algebraic calculation. Now the 2 and 2 cancels. Basically multiply this by 2, you will get 1 और 4 के बीच में x square का value आपको 1 और 4 के बीच में मिलेगा, quite naturally suggesting that x belongs to minus 2 से minus 1, या यूनियन 1 से 2. आर वी क्लियर अबाउट इट? ध्यान से सोच के देखो बच्चों, इक्वालिटी साइन है इसीलिए वो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर 1 से 4 के बीच में है, तो एक्स जो है 1 से 2 के बीच में होगा, और उल्टी तरफ भी ये बात सच होगी, माइनस 2 से माइनस 1, क्योंकि यार स्क्वायर उसी तरीके से काम करते हैं. और राउंड ब्रैकेट नहीं है, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है, क्योंकि इक्वल टू साइन है. हेंस ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आर वी क्लियर, गाइस? इफ यस, प्लीज पुट अ थम्स अप. अगर कोई डाउट है तो फटाफट पूछिएगा, ताकि हम अगले प्रॉब्लम में निकल पाए. ऋषभ, आर यू क्लियर अबाउट इट? Are we clear that why exactly there are square brackets everywhere? Come on, guys, quickly. Yeah, fatafat. Let's see who takes the star in the next problem. Are we ready? Come on, Preksha, up your game. Gamer zone, up your game. Come on, come on, come on, quickly. Here's the next problem on your screens. Fatafat. Awesome. Awesome. I think even I'll start solving along with you guys. बनता है ये चीज solve करना. Yes, there are answers flowing in. There are answers flowing in. Wonderful. यस, काफी बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम लग रहा है ना काफी लोगों को. यस, लेट्स सी हु हैज गॉट दिस करेक्ट. Yes, we can say tan 30 is height. Let's call these points A, B, C, right? AC. And tan 60 is h upon ab. Yes, so h is the same. uh this is equal to 1 upon root 3. This is equal to root 3, right? And we also know that 3 minutes this thing changes, so speed upon velocity, okay, distance bc. Bc is going to be equal to ac minus ab, correct? Yeah. Mm-hmm. यस, बट यार किस तरीके से ट्रिग्नोमेट्री लगाने के बाद टाइम कैसे इन्वॉल्व करेंगे बच्चों? आफ्टर 3 minutes दिस हैपेंस, दिस डिस्टेंस इज ट्रेवल्ड इन 3 minutes, राइट? oh, the speed is same, so this distance upon this distance, all right, so bc upon ac, ये चीज चाहिए हमें, bc upon ac, because the velocity is same. velocity bc के इसमें ये 3 minutes आएगा, velocity upon time. Yes, V and V cancels, and this is 1 minus AB upon AC, and AB upon AC, when we try and find out this ratio, ए बी अपॉन ए सी, ये रेशियो फाइंड आउट करने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो डिवाइड दीज टू, ए बी अपॉन ए सी विल गिव यू this upon this, so this will be 1 upon 3, yeah, and this will be 2 upon 3, suggesting that the time is 9 upon 2, 4.5 minutes. Yeah, I think this is a brilliant question. Very good, guys. Option B is the correct answer for this one. Yeah. Yes, तो जिसने भी B सबसे पहले लिखा, I can see Rishabh's name to be the first. Rishabh has got the star in this particular question. Fantastic. 3 minutes BC को लगता है, BC ये distance travel करने के लिए, और the remaining distance basically 1.5 minutes, correct? Yes. So now we can see that this time for AC, this is 4.5. So the correct answer is actually 1.5 minutes, because 4.5 minutes is the time taken for the entire journey A to C, right? Or C to A for that matter. अब C to B ऑलरेडी ट्रैवल हो चुका है 3 मिनट में, तो B to A जो डिस्टेंस है वो 4.5 माइनस 3 मिनट्स में ट्रैवल होगा. आर वी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस गाइस? राइट, एक बार मैं लिख लूं so that I'll explain entirely. T is equal to 9 upon 2, which is 4.5 minutes, right? And hence the remaining time is 4.5 minus 3, which is 1.5, right? And hence the correct answer in this case is option C. Yes, let me explain once again, don't worry guys, फटाफट एक बार ध्यान से देखो. एक बार पूरा समझाता हूँ, शुरू से समझाता हूँ, चिंता ना करें. Yes, I hope everyone, the triangle, the diagram is clear, right? डायग्राम क्लियर है. ऑब्जर्वर फ्रॉम टॉप ऑफ द ट्री, यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्वर है आपका, ठीक है. फाइंड्स दैट द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ऑफ द कार मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द ट्री इज टू बी 30 डिग्रीज. तो यहाँ पे कार है आपकी, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपकी कार है, और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, ये एंगल 30 डिग्रीज है, तो इसका मतलब ये एंगल भी 30 डिग्रीज है, राइट? अब वो कार जो है धीरे धीरे करके आपके ट्री के पास आते जा रही है, और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन 60 डिग्रीज हो गया, अभी कार यहाँ पे आ गई है, ठीक है, बी पोजिशन बी पे आ गई है. यस, एवरीवन क्लियर? तब एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन 60, तो ये 60 और ये 60, तो हमने इन तीनों को पॉइंट ए, बी और सी किया. यस, आर वी क्लियर? यस, आर वी एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर गाइस? कम ऑन फटाफट, नो वरीज नंदिनी, कम ऑन, देखते हैं यार. प्रॉब्लम्स अच्छे हैं तो इनसे सीखने मिलेगा, तो एवरीवन प्लीज फोकस एंड ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड पॉइंट्स ए, बी एंड सी. tan 30 जो है ये 30 डिग्रीज है. नाउ tan 30 is h upon ac. Does that make sense? tan 30 is 1 by root 3 as well, and tan 60 is h upon ab. This is h, right? Let's say the height of the tree, right? Height of the tree in this case. Everyone understanding guys? Right? So h upon AC is 1 by root 3 because tan 30, h upon AB is root 3 because tan 60. Now using these two, rather इनको बाद में भी use कर सकते हैं, इनको हम as data रखेंगे. Now we are saying that okay, BC upon AC, all right, BC upon AC is this distance upon this distance. ध्यान से देखो, ठीक है. अब ये distance travel करने में आपको 3 मिनट लग रहे हैं एट योर कांस्टेंट स्पीड. वी नीड टू अज्यूम दैट द कांस्टेंट स्पीड v, राइट? सो 3 into v, right, is going to be the distance bc, and ac is going to be v into t, the speed v into the time, the total time traveled to travel from c to a. Yes guys, are we understanding that the v gets cancelled? 3 upon t is equal to bc upon ac. bc is nothing but ac minus ab. And why are we doing it? Because we have information about ac and ab, so we write bc as ac minus ab. we simplify this, we get 1 minus AB upon AC. अब इन दोनों piece of information से हमें AB upon AC का value आएगा. इन दोनों को divide करो, you will see H and H gets cancelled. AC up 1 upon AC upon 1 upon AB gives you AB upon AC, which is exactly what is here. 1 upon root 3 into root 3 will give you 1 upon 3 जो हमने यहाँ डाला. 2 upon 3 is 3 upon t जो हमने यहाँ पे निकाला था, और इसको सॉल्व करके हमारा टाइम मिलता है 4.5 मिनट्स. अब ध्यान से देखिए बच्चों, AC के लिए वो t था, ठीक है, इस AC के लिए वो t था. तो AC का डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने के लिए उसको 4.5 मिनट लग रहे हैं, 4.5 minutes, राइट. तो जो रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करना है, दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड. After how much more time the car will reach the tree? So basically how much time that the car takes to travel the journey AB. So that is 4.5 minutes minus 3 minutes, that is 1.5 minutes. Yes guys, everyone clear, right? फंटास्टिक, हरिओम, बहुत बढ़िया. सबको बात समझ में आ रही है? काफी बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है यार, ये काफी लेंदी भी है, आई अग्री. सो दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ डिफिकल्ट लेवल क्वेश्चन व्हेन इट कम्स टू बिटसैट, बट अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स आई वुड से, इससे कि बहुत ज्यादा सीखने को मिलेगा. बहुत बढ़िया रॉयल माइडी, फंटास्टिक. एवरीवन क्लियर गाइस? यस, कूल कूल कूल, सही. नंदिनी, आपको समझ में आया ये चीज? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस? वेरी गुड ऋषभ, फंटास्टिक. वेरी गुड सीमा, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू. यस, टेल मी द डाउट, निक पटेल. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. गेमर्स, आपको समझ में आया? चलो बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. हाय कौस्तुभ, हाउ आर यू? Yes, next question on your screens. Here we go. Fadafat. Now this is an interesting question. Come on. Yes, let's see. Yes, who is the person who's going to take a star in this question? Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I believe you, Rishabh. Yes, very good, very good. बहुत बढ़िया यार, बहुत सही, बहुत सही. Yes, Rishabh and Preksha have got the star in this question. Fantastic work, guys. Rishabh and Param, the machine boy, have got the stars. Fantastic work. थोड़ा सा काफी क्लोज थे, इसीलिए मैं दोनों को बोल रहा हूँ. And Rishabh, I think you have already in NIT Silchar, so yeah, so you are nailing it. So yes, you deserve the star, but of course, I would also give it to Param, the machine boy. Yes, guys, very good. C is the correct answer of this question. I think again a very good question. Something जहाँ पे हमें अगर एक डायग्राम हमने क्रिएट कर लिया तो बहुत इजीली हम क्वेश्चन क्रैक कर सकते हैं. यस गाइज, तो ध्यान से समझिए. आफ्टर स्ट्राइकिंग द फ्लोर अ सर्टेन बॉल rebounds 4/5 of its height from which it has fallen, right? So let's say that this is the height, right? Let's say this is the height from where the ball has fallen. Let's say this is the height from where the ball has fallen, राइट. सो ये हाइट है, और एंड में अगर आप क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पूरा पढ़ेंगे तो वो एंड में हाइट दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. तो दिस 120 meters हैज बीन गिवन टू यू. नाउ इट हैज बीन टोल्ड टू अस, नाउ इट हैज बीन टोल्ड टू अस कि यार द बॉल इज रिबाउंडिंग 4/5 ऑफ इट्स हाइट. तो मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ पे आया, बट उसके बाद वो उतना ही नीचे डिस्टेंस कवर भी तो करेगा, है कि नहीं. फिर उसके बाद यहाँ से यहाँ आया, फिर उतना ही डिस्टेंस नीचे कवर करेगा. तो एक चीज नोटिस करो, ये जो 120 वाली चीज है वो एक ही बार हो रही है. दैट 120 थिंग इज हैपनिंग ओनली वंस. नाउ दैट इज व्हाट कैन क्रिएट अ कंफ्यूजन. But all the other green things are happening two times. It goes up and it comes down by the same particular amount. Right? Everyone understands? Yes, Param, I know it is you. Yes. Everyone clear, guys? Yes, everyone clear? ये process समझ में आ रहा है? So the total distance that the ball travels. Now think about this, guys. We know that this is going into a geometric progression of common ratio r, right? Common ratio r के geometric progression में आ रहा है. तो ये जो पहला distance है, that is 4/5 of 120. Do we understand this? Right? That is 4/5 of 120. तो एक बार 4/5 of 120 निकाल के देखते हैं. 4/5 into 120, this gives us 96. ध्यान से देखो इसका वैल्यू, right? 5 into 24 is 120, 24 4 is 96. So this value is 96 up and down, right? 96 into 4/5 up and down, 96 into 4/5 square up and down. Do we understand that? Right? So it's two times, 96 plus 96 into 4 by 5. Rather, we should write that in green because that is how the the up and down thing is happening, right? So 2 times, because up and down, 96 plus 96 into 4 by 5. Do we get this, guys? Plus 96 into 4 by 5 the whole square, and this keeps on continuing till it stops, right? So it's an infinite series basically, right? It's an infinite series. तो इसका पता चल गया इसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या है. अब हम वो ब्लू वाली चीज को नेचुरली, क्वाइट नेचुरली ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि टोटल लेंथ ढूंढना है, राइट? टोटल लेंथ ढूंढना है. And hence our answer here is going to be, now this is somewhere where also silly mistakes can happen. 120 है, ये 120 लिखना भूल जाते हैं तो सिर्फ यही आंसर निकालोगे. इसका आंसर क्या है? 2 times a upon 1 minus r is the sum of a common a converging geometric progression, sum of infinite terms. A upon 1 minus r, ये formula पता होना चाहिए. Sum of infinite terms of a geometric progression is a upon 1 minus r if it is a convergent one. That means r का value जो है, r का value जो है less than 1 or less between minus 1 and 1 है. In this case r is equal to 4 upon 5, right here. I hope everyone gets that. So a upon 2 times a upon 1 minus r. ठीक है. अब इस चीज को अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे, डिनोमिनेटर में 1/5 आएगा, 1/5 ऊपर जाएगा, 1/5 ऊपर जाएगा और वो 5 बन जाएगा. 96 into 5, 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 96 is 960, right? 960 plus 120 gives you 1080. Hence option C is our correct answer. Again, a beautiful question, not difficult at all. Concepts involved, it makes you think, it makes you apply, it makes you engineer. That's what you're going to become, right? If you're preparing for an engineering entrance exam, guys, you need to, try and solve the problem, collect information, try and process all the data with the concepts that you have learned and apply and give your best, guys. Yes, everyone clear? किसी को कोई डाउट प्रोसेस में? कम ऑन गाइस, फटाफट. Awesome, awesome, awesome. फटाफट, come on guys, quickly. अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज पूछिएगा. जो भी नए बच्चे आए हैं, फटाफट वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए, स्प्रेड द वर्ड एज मच एज पॉसिबल. रेडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. हियर वी गो. कम ऑन गाइस. वाओ, अमेजिंग. ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, दोनों का फ्यूजन. चलो यार, बहुत मजा आ गया. फटाफट, कम ऑन गाइस, देखते हैं इसको कैसे डील करना है. Right, now this is interesting. Nice, nice. Yes, काफी लोग, I think, yes, even I think it's option A. Let's see how that works out. यस, ऑल राइट. तो फटाफट देखते हैं किस तरीके से इस इक्वेशन को डील करना है. सबसे पहली बात तो ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन दिया हुआ है, तो बी स्क्वायर, टर्म इन द बिटवीन, स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म इनटू थर्ड टर्म, राइट? बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी. एवरीवन क्लियर विद दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? आई होप इस कॉन्सेप्ट में कोई भी डाउट नहीं है. ए बी सी इन ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन, बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए सी. एवरीवन क्लियर गाइस? राइट. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, क्या आएगा? साइन स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा. दोनों तरफ से एक साइन कैंसिल हो रहा है. यस, दोनों तरफ से एक साइन कैंसिल हो रहा है गाइस. आर वी क्लियर अबाउट इट? साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, साइन थीटा, एंड दिस गिव्स यू साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस क्यूब थीटा. ये प्राइसलेस इंफॉर्मेशन आपको मिल रही है. साइन थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस क्यूब थीटा. अब इस चीज को आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना है और देखना है कि क्या चीज आ रहा है, राइट? सो वन थिंग दैट आई वाज थिंकिंग इज, यहाँ पे हम साइन स्क्वायर की जगह 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर लिखे. साइन स्क्वायर की जगह 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर लिखे. देखिए किस तरीके से होता है. 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, आई कीप द फर्स्ट टर्म एज साइन स्क्वायर, राइट? आई एम थिंकिंग विल कन्वर्ट दिस. आई एम थिंकिंग इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं. 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर दी होल स्क्वायर ना, विल कीप इट एज इट इज अभी के लिए, तो राइट, अभी के लिए ऐसा रखते हैं. और प्लस साइन रेस टू 6 थीटा को ना लिखते हैं साइन स्क्वायर थीटा दी होल क्यूब. राइट, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा द होल क्यूब। क्यों? क्योंकि यार साइन स्क्वायर को अब मैं 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर लिख सकता हूँ और फिर एक्सपांड कर सकता हूँ और इस इक्वेशन का यूज कर सकता हूँ। ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई एम ट्राइंग राइट नाउ, लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स आउट। ठीक है, 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 3 रेज टू साइन रेज टू 4 थीटा, राइट, एंड नाउ द साइन स्क्वायर इज गोइंग टू बी रिटन एज 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर, जिसको हम एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, इसको हम एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं, 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 3 साइन रेज टू 4 थीटा। अब इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे, क्या मिलेगा, 1 माइनस 3 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, यस इज दैट करेक्ट, यस माइनस 3 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 प्लस 3 cos raised to 4 theta, is that correct? Yes, that's correct, absolutely awesome। और एंड में मिलेगा माइनस cos raised to 6 theta। अब cos raised to 6 theta जो है sin square theta हो जाएगा, राइट, डू वी नो दैट? ये इक्वेशन से क्या हम ये बोल सकते हैं that cos raised to 6 theta is nothing but sin square theta। So let's try and write that all of that now, right? Cos raised to 4 sin raised to 4 है यहाँ पे, let's try and simplify them as well। 4 sin square theta, ऐसा ही रखते हैं अभी इस चीज को, राइट, माइनस 3 साइन रेस टू 4 थीटा प्लस 1 माइनस 3 कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा, राइट। तो अभी उस चीज को मैं माइनस 3 टाइम्स 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ वापस से, सो दैट व्हेन वी एक्सपांड 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा कैन ऐड अप, राइट। अभी प्लस 3 कॉस रेस टू 4 थीटा, जिसको हम 3 टाइम्स 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा दी होल स्क्वायर कर सकते हैं, यस, नो नो नो, दिस वोंट हेल्प, दिस वोंट हेल्प, ओके ओके ओके, से कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा, राइट। और शुड वी रादर जस्ट सी व्हाट दिस गिव्स, इससे let's try a different route, let's try a different route over here, yes बच्चों, let's start with this data and see what this data gives you। sin theta equal to cos cube theta, इस चीज को सिंप्लीफाई करके देखने की कोशिश करते हैं, ठीक है गाइस, राइट। सो कैन आई से व्हेन आई स्क्वायर दिस आई गेट sin square theta equal to cos raised to 6 theta, राइट। अब ये नोटिस कीजिए कि यहाँ पे सब जगह ना साइन में चीजें हैं, तो अब ये कॉस को हम थोड़ा सा बदलते हैं, ये कॉस को थोड़ा सा बदलते हैं, लेट्स राइट दिस एज sin raised to 2 theta sin square theta, as on the other side we'll write that as 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta the whole cube। देखते हैं इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, राइट। So therefore we have sin square theta on the left and on the right we have 1 minus 3 sin square theta, right, plus 3 sine raised to 4 theta। Now I can see a 3 sine raised to 4 theta here। Now that is something that feels like okay, ठीक है, ये सही जा सकता है। Minus sine raised to 6 theta, again something that we have on here, when we put it on the left we'll get that plus sine raised to 6 theta, and it yes definitely works now। All right, so sine square on the left, so we can say therefore sine square, right। now minus 3 sine square theta, right, इसको हम अभी के लिए यहाँ यहीं पे रखते हैं, दिस इज 3, हाँ ना ना ना, उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे डालेंगे तो 4 हो जाएगा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा विल गिव यू 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा। नाउ दिस 3 साइन रेज टू 4 थीटा goes on the left becomes minus 3 साइन रेज टू 4 थीटा, and the minus sin raised to 6 theta goes on the left becomes plus sin raised to 6 theta, yes। और राइट हैंड साइड पे सिर्फ 1 बचता है, and hence the correct answer to this question is option C 1। राइट गाइज, एवरीवन क्लियर? काफी इंट्रीगिंग सा क्वेश्चन था ये, जीपी के ऊपर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन था, बेसिक आइडिया जीपी का निकालना था। जिस तरीके से हमने cos raised to 6 theta को डील किया है ना, cos raised to 6 theta को डील किया, we have written this as cos square theta the whole cube, cos square theta the whole cube, और cos square को लिखा है 1 minus sin square, and this has changed the problem। The idea here is we wanted to get everything in terms of sin, the idea here was everything to get in terms of sin, sin square equal to cos square theta, sin square theta बॉटम में जो येलो में लिखा हुआ है sin square theta is equal to cos raised to 6 theta, इस इक्वेशन को किस तरीके से पूरा ऑल साइन में कन्वर्ट किया है ना, दिस इज व्हाट इज द ट्रेडमार्क ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम। यस गाइस, Param, I tried to, but I think this is the best way to solve the problem। I think what you are talking about, the difficulty that you might be feeling is कि यार how do you click this, because I think till this stage it is intuitive। इस स्टेज तक आप ये बोल सकते हो कि you will be thinking that okay, I can deal with it till this point, right, but how do you know that I square it, how do you know that I square it? The idea is look at what has been asked, right, look at what has been asked, this something raised to 6, And let's call cos raised to 6. Think about this as an experimentation. Cos raised to 6. Okay, then can I convert that to sine? Yes, you can. Cos square, 1 minus sine square, the whole raised to 3. Expand, you get those terms. You can see those terms. So basically, it's all about thinking a couple of steps ahead. I totally agree that it's a difficult problem again from the BITSAT level, but come on, we are here to prepare for all kinds of questions. There are a lot of easy questions which I expect you to crack, moderate questions where you need to judge where, what, how you need to crack, and definitely go for that problem. Difficult ones, again, depending on the brain space, mind space, the time duration, what time are you in. That is why I suggest do maths in the between, right? So that you are in the best of your thought processes. All right, guys. I hope everyone is clear with this. Yes, this is definitely JEE Mains level, Royal Mad. Yes, definitely JEE Mains level. But again, I won't be surprised if it comes in BITSAT as well, because I would say if there are 45 questions in BITSAT, there will be 5 difficult questions, and this can be one amongst them, right? And if you are thinking that no, I would leave those 5 questions, trust me, friends, it's not going to be that easy. Looking at the question, that it's one of those 5 questions which I want to leave. You will not understand. You will spend some time, and that is why it's very essential to prepare for everything. Why not? Because then if you are able to solve 150 questions, you can get those extra few questions. Yes, guys, everyone clear? Right? Very good, Param. Awesome. Very good, Preksha. Awesome. Here's the next question on your screens. Come on, guys, attack. I think this will be the last for today. Let's see how it goes. Come on, Fadafat. Right? I didn't see that, Rishabh. But don't bother about the star. It's about getting the right answer, and also that right. The star is basically an incentive to push you to try and solve fast. That's all. Right? Come on, come on. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. Looking at the chat box. Yes. Hey Nandini, don't give all options यार. मैं आपको ही स्टार देने वाला था, बट क्या कर दिया आपने? Yes, Jack Impossible Sparrow Anzar has got the star in this question. Fantastic work, guys. We need to understand that if this lies on one side, we need to understand that 3 plus 2 is 5, right? And 5 is greater than 1, right? So you can say that 3 comma 2 is on one side of the line, x plus y equal to line. ठीक है, मान लो अगर हमें इसका डायग्राम निकालना भी है, ठीक है, तो जब x 0 है तब y 1 है, अब जब y 0 है तब x 1 है, ठीक है, तो बेसिकली 0 1 and 1 0, दिस इज योर लाइन. Okay, and if you want to just put this point 3 comma 2 somewhere, right, 3 comma 2 is somewhere here, let's say, right, then if sine theta comma cos theta also has to be on that side, even that has to be greater than 1. Do you understand that? Even that has to be greater than 1, right? Now if that is the case, right, if that is the case, then you'll have to say, okay, sine theta plus cos theta is greater than 1. Does everyone understand that since 3 comma 2 satisfies the greater than 1 thing, sine theta plus cos theta also has to be greater than 1, right? If it is on the other side of the line, then it will be less than 1. If it is on the line, then it will be equal to 1. Do we understand that, guys? Right, you can bring the constant on the left hand side and say that x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, then it is still valid. 3 plus 2 minus 1 is greater than 0, right, on one side of the line. 3 plus 2 minus 1 is still 4, greater than 0, so on one side of the line, right? Similarly, sine theta plus cos theta minus 1 greater than 0 means sine theta plus cos theta greater than 1, right? Now when you solve it, rather for that matter, don't even need to solve, just plug in values and you'll realize that this works out for option A. None of the other options will fit, right? Because the other options will also fit, but they'll not be a complete set. You need to understand that they'll not be a complete set, right? Let's try and simplify this to understand this. I'm multiplying 1 by root 2. Basically, I'm multiplying root 2 and 1 by root 2 to the left hand side. So 1 by root 2 sine theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta, right? So I'm multiplying root 2 for that on the other side, which goes here, and 1 by root. So basically you can say on both sides of the inequality I've multiplied 1 by root 2, and this gives me sine theta cos pi by 4 plus cos theta sine pi by 4, which is sine of theta plus pi by 4, right? Sine of theta plus pi by 4 greater than sine pi by 4, right? So this clearly gives you an indication that, and again it's greater than 1 by root 2. So you can say that theta plus pi by 4, theta plus pi by 4 basically lies between 3 pi by 4 and pi by 4, ठीक है, क्योंकि साइन 45 डिग्रीज इज 1/√2, राइट, एंड दैट इज 1/√2, राइट, एंड साइन 135 डिग्रीज विच इज साइन 3 पाई/4 इज ऑल्सो 1/√2, तो ये इन दोनों के बीच में रहेगा, एंड व्हेन यू subtract pi/4 on all the sides, you will get this particular answer. Yes guys, I again think it's a fantastic question, right? Hope you liked it. So yes, this is all for today. BITSAT mock test 17. I think quite a lot of different kinds of questions. 11th standard के concepts काफी ज़्यादा थे. I think today was more 11th standard heavy, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, guys. So again, once again, next Saturday will come. Yes, there are a few questions remaining. We'll combine them in the next mock test. So this is our 11th standard schedule, guys. This is our 12th standard schedule. As you can see, I'll come every day at 4 p.m. To bring the best content of 12th standard mathematics. Right? We are currently doing application of derivatives, and tomorrow evening 4 p.m. in the live daily, I'm going to bring maxima and minima. So that's going to be a fantastic topic, very interesting, intriguing, and heavy marks wala concept, right? So everyone, whoever is in 12th standard, make sure that you attend that session and gain tremendous amount of knowledge with respect to maxima minima. All right, guys. So that's a Telegram group ka link, wherever where if you'll register, you'll not miss any video, right? And most importantly, once again, the Unacademy subscription, which has these amazing features, right, wherein you will make sure that your preparation of your 12th standard goes to another level, right? No doubt the educators are the best in India, right? But at the same time, the platform is basically very, very awesome. It makes the learning fun for us teachers as well as students in a very, very elaborate manner. All right, guys, all you got to do is download the app plus subscription, CBSE class 12, get subscription, and use my code, right? Use my code GP Live to get that extra 10% discount. And by that, your yearly fees is just 11250, 11,250 रुपए 12 महीनों के लिए, मतलब 1,000 रुपए से भी कम, less than 1,000 rupees a month for the entire year, right? And for all the subjects, most importantly, physics, chemistry, maths, English, computer science, Hindi, and with all of it, so much extra information, so much extra knowledge is going to get gathered. Entrances के लिए preparation हो जाएगा, क्योंकि concepts clear होंगे, test series होंगे boards के लिए, doubt solving sessions होंगे, revision sessions होंगे. It's going to be fabulous, guys. So do not waste any time. Instead of watching recorded videos, you will get to watch all of these sessions live. So do not worry, hop on, worth every penny, a penny, absolutely reasonable rates. Yes guys, come on फटाफट. So yes, this अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. PDF notes of the video will be available in a few minutes. Yes, so that's me. Let's crack it together, guys. All your 12th standard journey, boards, even your entrances, that's my time. That is my code GP Live. Use that code and hop onto the channel. Bye for now. Have fun. Take care. See you again.